If you want to delete a sheet in LibreOffice Calc, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to remove a spreadsheet tab safely and correctly. Whether you're cleaning up a workbook, removing an unused sheet, or just trying to organize your file better, this process only takes a few seconds. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice. Once it launches, you'll either see the Start Center or an existing document. If you're starting fresh, look on the left side under Create and click Calc Spreadsheet. If you already have the file open, just go to the spreadsheet you want to edit. Now take a look at the bottom of the Calc window. This is where all of your sheet tabs appear. Each tab represents a separate sheet inside your spreadsheet file. Find the sheet you want to delete, then right-click directly on that sheet tab. A menu will appear with several options. From that menu, click Delete Sheet. This is the command that removes the selected sheet from your workbook. LibreOffice will then show a confirmation prompt to make sure you really want to delete it. This is important because once the sheet is removed, it cannot be recovered unless you undo it immediately or have a backup. If you're sure you want to continue, click Yes to confirm, and that's it. The selected sheet will be permanently removed from your LibreOffice Calc file. Just a quick tip, before deleting any sheet, make sure it doesn't contain important formulas, references, or data you still need. If the sheet is linked to other tabs in your workbook, deleting it could affect your calculations or break references in other parts of the file. So it's always a good idea to double check first. If you want to keep your workbook organized, this method is perfect for removing empty tabs, old drafts, or sheets you no longer use. It's fast, simple, and works in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next easy how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.